While we're talking about tips and tricks, I wanted to show you guys the very first tip that a lot of young carpenters or people doing woodworking know. And people don't use it very much anymore because we use a lot of screws and that sort of thing. But we're going to be doing this project with one of the local high schools where we're making little libraries, and we're going to have some delicate pieces, and so we're just working over the process now. And I realize there might be some times that we need to nail something small and get a nail real close to the edge. And if you see this, if I'm nailing this and I'm putting a nail in, and see how it splits the wood right there? Well, a way to get around that is you take the tip of the nail and hit it a couple of times, and it'll actually make it flat, so it actually cuts the fibers, and you can get real close without it splitting. So that's the first tip people usually learn whenever they're starting to do woodworking, and I wanted to introduce that to you, so have fun with that.